Hi and welcome to another video. Today I am going to reveal a secret of volatility index trading. What's the secret? Focus on the video. So let's get started to the video. First of all, you need to go to the indicator section. Add a moving average of 25 period. The setting will be method exponential. Apply to HLCC4. You will find out the setting in the indicator section on moving average window. After setting it up, you will come back to the volatility index chart. After getting there, you will see a line. This is actually a moving average indicator which is right now visible on your chart. So let's focus on strategy. What's the strategy? This is totally awesome strategy which is going to help you to boost your daily basis profit using this one. So once you come to the chart, you need to confirm the trend. What's the trend actually? As you guys can see, we always predict trend by help of moving averages. They help us to predict the trend if it's bullish or bearish. Each time candles are closing above the moving average, it's mean the trend is bullish. Each time the candles are closing downside, it's mean the trend is bearish. So let's get started to the strategy. What is this? Each time you guys see a market is riding above the moving average and candles are closing upward bullish, it's mean the market is buy. What you need to do, just simply mark the fair value gaps. Okay, each time you find out a fair value gap, just simply mark it. What to do right now? As you guys can see here, we just mark a bullish fair value gap, the first one, very first one. After marking it, let's move here. Now you guys can see, let me extend the zone so you guys can see. Here is the fair value gap which previously from the bullish move we just captured. And after this, you simply need to do what? When you see market is come back to the same zone which was our previous fair value gap, which we marked from the moving average touch. Okay, once we found it again, market is on same zone. So this is the candle where market come back to the zone again. So this is the candle where we will enter again into the buy after the confirmation. What's the confirmation? Once the candles close above the moving average, it's mean the market is in bull run. It's mean market is bullish. We will go for a buy. This is a secret thing, guys. Each time you see the market is closing candles above than moving average, it's mean bullish. Each time you see market is closing downside of the moving average, it's mean the market is bearish. Let me give you another example so you understand it very easily and you predict the right move. Here you guys can see at this part market was going down. Okay, market was going down. This is the bearish last candle which just confirmed as the price momentum. The market is just changed the trend. It started a new swing which is going downward, a selling swing. So after getting a fair value gap, the moving average, the candle just closed downside of the moving average. This is the first confirmation. We got the fair value gap. Just simply mark on it. Okay, and after marking it, go back to the zone. Wait for the market to travel back. Market started going here and there. Now just simply wait for the market to come back to the zone. Once market come back to the zone of fair value gap, just wait for a confirmation. Here we see again sell started, but there is no confirmation. We are not going to enter any trade. Just simply wait for confirmation. As we mark the fair value gap of a bearish move, so we are going to find out a bearish confirmation. So what's the confirmation? Here market again started going downward. So here is the confirmation of a sell because the bearish candle is just closed downside. Okay, and we entered our trade. This is the place where we entered our trade. Here right now. At the top here is our stop loss. Now let's move on. And here you guys can see after some time market traveled back at this zone, but no problem. Once it go back, same fair value gap, we entered one more trade and the both trades went in profit and we booked. Hope you guys understood. Ask me your questions. type in the comments if you guys want to have next video on this topic. I will reveal more secrets.